X1 Wireless Headphones Touch Control TWS Bluetooth 5.0 Earphones Stereo LED Display Sports Waterproof Headphones Dual Microphone. Specifications. Brand name, Kowkaka. Vocalism principle, dynamic. Control button, yes. Active noise cancellation, yes. Communication, wireless. Volume control, yes. Style, in-ear. Sensitivity, 123 decibels. Wireless type, Bluetooth. Is wireless, yes. Line length, 0 meters. Support app, no. Function, common headphone. Function, sport. Function, for mobile phone. Function, for video game. Function, HiFi headphone. Plug type, line type. Connectors, USB. Model number, UC6700. Codecs, AAC. Support memory card, no. Resistance, 32. Waterproof, yes. Frequency response range, 2.402 to 2.480 Hz. With microphone, yes. Support agreement, A2DP, AVR CP HFP HSP. Music playing time, 300 hours. Bluetooth version, 5.0. Charging time, about 1 hour. Product color, black. Including headset *2. Mushroom-shaped head *6. Charging stand *1. User manual *1. Charging cable *1. Pictures overview.
Summer breeze came from the sea. Nighttime dances, colored pills. Morning sex under the tree. All in all, it was my fault. Don't you see I'm feeling blue? But he believes in oil and gold, while I believe in you. I don't mind if you don't love me. I don't mind at all.
Price, $23.84. 60 days money back guarantee. Check description for purchase link. Thanks for watching.